We're continuing with consumer arithmetic. Today we'll be looking at compound interest. The question wants us to find the compound interest on a sum of $1,000 at a rate of 10% per annum over a period of 3 years. Now, I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to show you how to calculate compound interest if you want to calculate it 1 year at a time. Now, this will be practical for if it's 2 or 3 years, but it's not going to be practical if it's 7.5, 10.5, 12 years. So you'll definitely want to use the formula for that. I'll be showing you that after. So for year 1, they're telling us that we are getting 10% per annum. So 10% of 1,000 is $100. So for the first year, we are adding $100 onto our $1,000 and we'll get $1,100. Okay. Year 2, we have $1,100. And we need to find 10% of 1,100, which is going to be $110. When we add this on, we're going to get $1,210. Year 3, we have $1,210, and we need to find 10% of this, which is going to be $121. And when we add this, we're going to get a total of $1,331. Okay, so the compound interest after the 3 years is $331. Now, if we use the formula, it's good to learn this formula because you're going to use the same formula when you're doing questions on appreciation and a similar formula for when you're doing depreciation question. Now, this is the formula. We're going to answer the same question using the formula. So the principal amount here is 1,000 and it's 1 plus the rate, which is 10%. 10 over 100 as a decimal is 0.10. And the year, which is n, is 3. So I'll write 3 here. Okay, so what we will do is simplify what we have in brackets. 1 plus 0.10 is going to give us 1.10, right? And we are going to raise that to the power of 3. When we do that, we are going to get 1.331. We'll multiply this by 1,000 and we will get $1,331, which is the same thing we got when we did it before. Okay, so I'll do more tricky questions using the formula, so you will see why it's important to know how to use the formula when you're doing compound interest.